Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide following lists on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and then you want to hide your following list, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your TikTok app and here just go to your profile by tapping on your profile option in the bottom right. And here just tap on three horizontal lines in the top right and just select settings and privacy. And from here you have to simply select privacy option. And here you have two different ways to hide your following list. The very first way, you have to enable this toggle to make your account private. It will completely make your account private. Or the second option is you just have to scroll down and look for the option of following list. Just select that. And here you'll get the option of only you. You just have to select the second option here. So once you have selected only you, no one on TikTok can see your following list. So only you can see your following list on TikTok. So in this way, you can easily hide your following list on TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.